Hi, how you doing? Today I'm going to be painting my longboard. I've had it for years, and originally it had a flaming skull on the bottom and it had like Death Knight or something on it, and that really wasn't my vibe, so I spray painted it black, and this was years ago. And I thought recently when I was looking at it that I'm an artist, I shouldn't really be walking around with a plain black longboard, so I thought we should put some colour on it and see what happens. I started off by sanding the board down to get rid of all the spray paint and the skull that was underneath what I'd done, till it was just the wood at the bottom. And then I got some baking paper to put on top to like sketch out my design. Then I bought this black Montana spray paint, which I'm so happy with. It's the first spray paint I bought, and it's such a good quality. It's so beautiful, the colours are amazing, and yeah, I'm just so happy with the purchase. As I'm spraying it, it comes out so clean. There's no bits. I don't dislike the texture. It's nice and smooth. It's not too glossy. I love it. I started off by spraying the board purple and leaving it to dry for 24 hours. Then I painted a pink kind of fade going across the board. Now, doing this board was a lot of first times for me. I only ever sprayed one board before, well actually two boards, this board black before another board black with a gold mandala on it, and both of those times weren't like a professional thing, so there's a lot of first times, and I'm so happy with how this went. The purple went on really nice and dried well, and the fade from the pink to the purple went really well as well. There was like not too much of a jump from one colour to the other, it kind of gradually goes through. I'm so happy with it. After all that dried, I let it set and got the sketch that I did on the baking paper to put on top and transferred the sketch over. Then I used a blue Posca marker, like a thick acrylic one, to go over the pencil design. And I'm so happy with that as well. Like, so many times in the past I've bought something and I haven't bought the best thing, I've cheaped out and it hasn't been the greatest quality, and I've had to get another one and another one, like with earphones, headphones, laptops, phones, mics. I'm generally unlucky with the stuff. When it came to doing this longboard, everything I bought just worked really well. I've been drawing mandalas for years now. Like, as a kid I used to be kind of into art and draw sometimes, like draw my favourite characters from TV shows and make up my own Power Rangers or Pokemon or whatever, but kind of stopped as I was a teenager. And then kind of as I hit early 20s I realised that I didn't have any hobbies apart from gaming, so I thought I should do something with my life. So I decided to get good at drawing again and actually build some kind of routine and habit in it, like actually get good at the skill, not just draw every now and again. Like, what if I was actually good at it? So I did. Every day I sat down and drew a mandala, because I knew I had to draw something, and I think the idea of drawing people or learning how to draw realistically or whatever was way too daunting, so I just decided mandalas, I love them, they're easy, I love the patterns, and I could actually draw one of those every day for a while. And I didn't expect to be doing it 6 years later or however long it's been, but now I used to draw mandalas on paper in like a notepad or a sketch pad or just on anything I could find. But then I bought an iPad because I saw how good people were in Procreate and how smooth the lines were. Then I only used my iPad, and there was really good results from the iPad. They were really smooth lines, and I could do some really cool things with it, but you might be able to tell that the lines aren't as smooth as they could or should be. I'm used to the stabilization tool in Procreate with my pen, so my hand is just not used to being smooth and doing all these jagged lines. But regardless of that, I'm still really happy with how it went, and it's just another skill to work on, I guess, another thing to keep me busy. At times it was hard to see the sketch, the pencil that I'd transferred on, partly because of the poor lighting in my room, because I was doing this in kind of this flow state rush where I was so happy to be motivated for once, so I didn't want to just leave it till the next day when the lighting was good for the video. I just kind of started doing it, and at some points I just lost where the pencil was, so I used my little torch thing I had in my hand to try and see what I was doing, and that kind of got in the way sometimes in the video. But I think the most important thing is the art, and then it's the recording. But whatever. Yeah, I'm buzzing with the results. Like, I think it went so well. The colours work really well together. The design's not too much. It's not too busy, but it's like not like minimal or whatever. You know, it's really cool. And yeah, I bought some Paris trucks, which I've heard are really good for longboards, and some orangutan wheels, some like light blue ones to go with the light blue line work, so it all fits together. And they actually kind of like matched my riding style as well. The kind of mix of freestyle and just riding about as like transport, because I'm not doing many tricks. I'm not risky like that. I don't want to break my head just to do an ollie on longboard. Like, it's not me. But I really respect skaters who do like just break their legs or ruin their bodies to do tricks, because it looks amazing, and to have that determination to break your body to learn to do something really cool is amazing. Another tangent. So yeah, the wheels and the trucks look really good on the board, and I took it for a ride along the beach at sunset, and I was so happy because I hadn't ridden my board in ages, but after painting it, it was a reason to get out, to show it off to people who don't know me across the beach. And it was really fun. I took some pictures of it with the sun in the background, and it felt good to ride again. Admittedly, I did kind of forget how to ride a little bit. It's not quite like riding a bike. Riding a longboard, it's a little bit different. I almost fell off like 5 times, but I'm still here. I didn't break any bones, so we're alright. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you do learn anything from this video, if you do anything similar, let me know. Send me pictures, send me a link to a video if you make one. I'd love to see if anyone does anything similar to this. I'm not big into the skate scene, but I've never seen many people doing art on their boards. I normally just see people buying boards, maybe spray them on colour or something, but I think this is really cool. I think I'm going to do it some more. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've got any ideas that I should try. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, follow me on Instagram. I've started TikTok, follow me on that. Yeah. Love you. See you soon.